Hello, the people. Welcome back to Quintus TV. If you are watching my video for the very first time, you are especially welcome. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this super creamy moisturizing hair growth oil for your hair. You're gonna see how your hair is going to be moisturized for days and it's going to promote hair growth and keep your hair shiny. You really don't want to miss this. If you're interested, please keep watching. So the first ingredient on my list here is avocado. Avocado is very nutritious, and hair food products containing a great amount of avocado are made to help you restore healthy fats and moisture. So it basically then makes your hair supple, healthy, and resilient to damage. Avocado is also a great source of biotin, and adding this B complex vitamin back into the diet may help your hair grow more healthily, soft, and good looking. So we are going to use half cup of olive oil, which serves as our carrier oil. You can use coconut oil, it's also carrier oil. You have grapeseed oil, which is a carrier oil. There are types of carrier oil you can use. So we are going to use half cup of olive oil, and then we go ahead and add our mashed avocado. We already mashed our avocado. We now take our carrier oil and we put everything in a pot because we're going to fry that. Yes, guys, you want all the ingredients, all the nutrients, all the benefits of the avocado. You have to fry this at very low heat, gradually. No high heat, please, because you are just going to destroy the nutrients of the avocado. So, after frying at low heat, you see, you wait till the avocado burns like this. It changes the color, becomes brownish in color. We are now going to transfer this with the help of a cheesecloth, or you can use a stocking or whatever instrument or whatever utensil you have in the kitchen that will help you extract the oil from the avocado paste, so that you have a very smooth mixture, no lumps of avocado the. So guys, this is what you do. You now need a glass. You see, it's clean, it's completely fine. There are no lumps of avocado inside. We need a glass bottle because this is the first step. You are going to save this for some time. So I would not advise you use a plastic bottle. A glass bottle is advisable. So transfer this into a glass bottle, and now we have moringa powder. Like, guys, you want to know what this is gonna do to your hair. So basically, one of the most important moringa benefits for the hair is that it boosts hair growth. Moringa contains vitamins A, B, and omega-3 fatty acids. All these nutrients nourish the hair and promote hair growth. Vitamin A, for example, plays a crucial role in the development of healthy cells and tissues. So, guys, you really want to include moringa in your hair routine. Keep watching. So 2 days later, this is what you have. You see the liquid darkens up, it becomes darker. The reason why you have to allow it for 2 days is because you want to get the best of everything. So you add your moringa powder in your avocado oil because you want to get the best of, you want to get the maximum concentration of your moringa powder. So you're not just going to mix it and then use it immediately. You see how thick it is because we've gotten the maximum benefits of the moringa powder after letting it sit for 2 days, guys. 2 days, if you can leave it for more, it's up to you, but you should leave it for at least 2 days. After 2 days, that's how thick in concentration and consistency it was. Now let's move into our magical butter. So as you know, this is a hair butter. So we need shea butter. If you know shea butter, you know shea butter is basically full of fatty acids and vitamins that help to hydrate your hair. Shea butter also has emolliating qualities, helping to lock in the moisture without leaving your hair heavy or greasy. So just put your shea butter over a pot of boiling water till it melts. That's all. And now we have the remains. After extracting the oil, the moringa oil, you know how to pour the shea butter in the glass container. Remember, after sieving the oil from the moringa powder that was let to sit for 2 days, we have some extra moringa in the glass. And you get to get the best of everything. You're not just going to throw that away. Just take your melted butter and pour it in that glass so that you get the extra nutrients. You get the tip, guys. You get it. So it's just that. That's what I'm doing right now. I just took my melted butter and then pour it back into the glass after saving the moringa powder that was let to sit in the avocado oil for 2 days. So now you see how it looks like. That's the moringa powder after putting in the melted shea butter in the glass to just get more of everything, just get everything, no waste. So that's you see the colors change. So that's it. Now you're just going to pour your sieved moringa avocado oil together. So everything is smooth, clean, and just ready to be refrigerated. You have to place this in the refrigerator for about, I think, maybe 10-15 minutes till it's kind of solidifies. It's also soft to the touch. It's not supposed to be hard because after that we are going to blend. We have to mix it, use a hand mixer to mix it. The color changes as you mix, but after that the color comes back green after some time. But as you see, it's actually whitish in color as you mix because it's like a butter. It's like cream. And now we have tea tree oil. You're going to add 10 drops of tea tree oil, the ring. Tea tree oil, on the other hand, stimulates the hair follicles, thereby promoting longer and thicker hair. If you are in the process of growing your hair out, guys, you might want to consider adding tea tree oil into your hair care routine. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up. It does encourages me, motivates me. Click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be the first to get notified. So as you all can see, I have transferred my cream into a container. It melts so easily, it's absorbed so easily, and as you can see on the other frame, the color changes, it becomes green over time because basically this is avocado butter hair cream. So avocado hair butter, so the color is green naturally, so don't mind this whitish thing you see here. The color is green. Okay, so that is exactly how it looks like. Such a nice green color. I love the color. I love the consistency. If you use exactly the measurements I use, this is the consistency you should be having. So guys, to preserve this, I actually just got a plastic foil to seal it. Plastic foil normally seals well, so just seal that, and then it's time to apply. Save in the refrigerator. Now it's time to apply on the hair. I already applied the back section has been applied already. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the front section so that you guys see what I'm doing. So this is the butter. This is how it looks like. This is its consistency. That's its color. I love it. Like, guys, you need to do this. This leaves your hair moisturized for days. Trust me. Moringa powder, avocado, shea butter, they will nourish your hair. They will give you flourishing hair. If you are consistent, you don't just use something once and you expect magic. You have to be consistent in your routine. Use that once a week on your hair to moisturize your hair. And when you are applying this, you apply your cream, your hair cream, normally your hair cream, and then you apply this hair butter to seal in all the moisture or to add in extra moisture and shine. Most oftentimes we just use hair cream on our hair and we apply nothing else, or we just put oil or grease on our hair. This is already like an all-in-one leave-in conditioner because it already has butter inside, it has oil, and it has like a rich paste, which is the avocado, to keep your hair moisturized for days. So, in as much as we need to apply cream oil, this is already something like using just this is good, like you are good to go. See, it looks whitish now after applying on the hair, but after some time, the hair absorbs the hair. Personally, I have high porosity hair, so my hair naturally absorbs water, oil, cream easily. So, guys, all you need to do at this point is to generously apply that on your hair. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, click on the post notification bell, give this video a thumbs up. It really does encourages me to post more videos, to be here for you guys, to keep giving you guys tips to maintain a smooth, healthy, growing, natural hair. Effortlessly growing your hair as long as possible to keep your curls flourishing in greatness and in style, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to your loved ones, and let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you have questions in the comment section below. You can always drop your questions in the comment section below. I will be there to answer them immediately I see the questions. I'm really going to answer all your worries. Just let me know what you have, or what doubts you have, or whatever thing you want to know. Any suggestion, whatever thing, please feel free, write in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.